Hello, this is Isabel Monzo, and here is my fitness data analysis project. The school district I chose to do research on is the Bonita Unified School District. I chose 2 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 2 high schools for this project, and these schools are spread out throughout Laverne and San Dimas. The 2 schools that I chose to compare and contrast are Oak Mesa Elementary, who are the Owls, and Allen Avenue Elementary, which are the Eagles. Here we have a little summary on Oak Mesa Elementary, the reason why I chose this school, and a link to the demographics, as well as we have a little chart with the school population. Here we also have some pictures in regards to the female summary of results and the male summary of results for the physical fitness report. And then in the top corner, we have some numbers and percentages of the health fitness zone for the students, students who need improvements. And then we also have a link that will take you to the overall summary of where the students are at. And the reports that I am using in this project are from the 2018 to 2019 school year, and this is the most current school year that has been updated, and it's most likely in regards to because of everything that's happened due to COVID. So the 2018 to 2019 report is the most current that they have right now. Here we have a continued summary and a bit of an aha moment on the left side that I noticed from the data that was collected. Here we have Allen Avenue Elementary, another reason why I chose this school, and then a link to the demographics for the school, and then a little chart that has the school population. Here we also have 2 pictures of the female summary results and the male summary results, and then in the top corner we also have the number and percentage of students who are in the health fitness zone, and then the students who need improvements, and another link to the overall summary for this school. Here we have more summaries of Allen Avenue. And then here we have a comparison of similarities and differences between the 2 elementary schools. And I wanted to choose an elementary school because this would be possibly schools that I might work at one day. And I wanted to compare the 2 since these are 2 very well-known elementary schools in the Bonita Unified School District. Here we have a conclusion, resources, and then extra summaries that I did research on. Thank you for watching.